You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install. OJ channel, starter strip, straight. Trim board, we're getting a nice painted look on it. We have some cove molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now.
For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites. Here we are. We just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off.
Channel, starter strip, straight.
You can see the lumber. What we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom,